Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay Will. So every now and then I get some very cool devices in, and this just happened to be one of them. This is a game controller, a gamepad for Android. I'm going to test it with iOS in a later video, but for now the demo is going to be with my, well, as you can see, it's with my Android tablet. I grabbed my LG G-Pad 8 and it works good. Certain games, I think it started to die, and it just kind of went crazy on me with Asphalt 8. But nonetheless, it still controls very well. It's a really nice controller. If you take a look around the front here, you've got the regular setup for gamepads. Now, as you know, I'm not really a gamer, but this controller is very nice, and it complements your phone or tablet very well. So it can hold up to a 12.2-inch tablet, so it goes out really wide, as you can see here. It can hold a very big tablet. You look around the back here, I got it plugged in because I want to actually play some more games, but you can see how it has this spring-loaded. You lock it by pressing it in. After you get the size desired, you lock it, and then it's good to go. But this is actually pretty sweet, man. So you've got regular controllers, controls like a real video game controller. So look here, you've got your left and L2 and the right and R2. On the top here, you've got the A, Y, B, X. You've got auto start and mode. You got a little controller here, and then you've got the charge indicator, which you see is on there. And then over here, you've got your turbo, select, and home, and you've got the little controller over here, and you've got another one of these. Now, I'm not a gaming expert, so I probably would give this away. It is a nice addition to play video games. If you pop this open here, you can see you have a little, this is actually rubbery grip right here, and this is too. So let's put my tablet in here. this Gamepad. But that is how the Gamepad fits into your tablet. It's actually really hot item. I think it's pretty cool. I'm not a gamer, so I probably wouldn't use this again. But it does work, and as you can see there, you've got some good gameplay on this thing. But it's your man Jay Will. It just comes in a generic box. Like this is the box that it came in. Nothing fancy about it. And it comes with a list. Bumpy cam. It comes with a list of games that you can play that it's recommended. Of course, you can try it with whatever games you want. But here are the big sheet of paper that comes in here. And here are the games that they're recommending that you use it with. So there you have it, man. This is actually a pretty cool little item. I'll have a link in the description if you want to pick one up. And if you're a gamer, this is something you might want to try. Kind of an affordable. I'm sure there's other gaming controllers out there, but again, I'm not a gamer, so I have no clue. This is a review unit that was sent over to me, so check it out if you want to check it out. It's your man Jay Will. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.